Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our Skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful. First, we will understand our question. The program has to accept the R cross C integer matrix that consists of the hexadecimal digits only as the input. Then the program must also accept the integer ex and then print ex, print es if the hexadecimal value of x is present on the horizontally in any row, else will print no. So first we'll accept the R crossing integer matrix that consists of hexadecimal digits only, and also will accept the integer ex. Then we'll print es if the hexadecimal value of ex is present horizontally in any row, else will print no. Now we'll take our first case. So here this is our R cross C integer matrix. So now we'll have the x value equal to 2D, that is, so now we'll join them so that it will be easy to locate the hex value. So after removing the space, now we'll convert all two in uppercase so that it will be easy for locating. So here will be converted to uppercase, so others are already in uppercase. So now we have to locate 2D. So here it is not present, here it is not present, but in this row we have 2D. So we'll have yes as our output. Now we'll take our second test case. Here we have 5 cross 7 matrix and we have 90. The hex value of 90 is 5a. So first we'll convert it to uppercase 5a. Now we will remove the space between the elements of the matrix, and now we will convert all elements to uppercase. And after converting into uppercase, we'll check for 5a. So here it is not present, here it is not present, here also it is not present, here it is not present, and here also it is not present. So no will be our output. Now let us implement our program. First we'll get the rows and columns. Then after that we'll get the matrix input of dot split off for row in range R. So here we'll use join in order to join our input. Then we'll convert it to uppercase. So here we'll have dot upper of, and now we'll get the integer x, and then we'll have to get the hexa value equal to the hex of x. So here we'll have two slice operator which eliminates the prefix 0x. Now after getting the hexa value, we have to check whether it is present in the matrix. So for row in range, in matrix, if the hexa value in row, so if the hexa value is present in the row means we have to print yes and break the loop, else we'll print no. So first we are getting the number of rows and columns, then we'll get the matrix, and here we'll use join to get the elements, and here we'll convert to upper, and then we'll get the integer x, and also we'll have the hex value equal to hex of x, and we'll have two slice operator in order to eliminate the prefix 0x, and also it will be converted to uppercase, and we'll check for the hex value in row. So if it is present, we'll print yes and use break, else we'll print no. Now we'll execute our program with our first test case. So here we have got yes as the output because 2D is present. Now we'll execute our second test case. Here we have got no as the output because 5A is not present anywhere.
Our program has passed all our given test cases successfully. Hope you guys understand. Thanks for watching. See you next video.